Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see Brave browser automation using Selenium. I think this is the first time in the internet you see this in the YouTube. So how to automate Brave browser. So what is Brave browser? So first we'll go to the official website of Brave browser. So this is brave.com, the browser that rethinks the web and truly faster, actually safer. So it's developed on top of Chromium. So the same way how Chrome did. So it is very similar to Chrome, but it is very faster and very safer when you compare to Chrome. So when you go to the settings, means the options, and you just check about Brave, here you can see that the version 1.9.72, you see that Chromium 81.0.4044.138. So it is developed on top of Chromium. So the look and feel will be very similar to Chrome. And when you go to the features of Brave, you can see that load pages 3 to 6 times faster. So that is what we are here. So while executing your scripts, it should be very, you want to complete in the less time, right? So obviously your browser should be fast. So then you can choose Brave browser as your option. So here, Brave is very fast and you can download it from the brave.com. So I'm using this Brave, and we'll take one sample program to see how we can automate the Brave browser and how it will be executing. Okay, so I'm taking a sample example. I'm going to demo.automationtesting.in/index.html. I'll put some dummy email here, and when I click this button, it will go to this form. So I'll just fill here first name and last name, and I'll close the browser to see how it is interacting with the Brave browser, the Selenium. Okay, so for that I am using Visual Studio Code IDE. So like a IDE, so I'm using this Visual Studio Code to write my Selenium script. So how to use Visual Studio Code to write your Selenium script? So for that, I made a video like how to set up Maven project in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see, I'll provide the link in the description. So I created the Maven project here. I created the Maven project. You see the pom.xml. Inside the pom.xml, I'm using Selenium Java Alpha 5, means Selenium 4 Alpha 5, and I'm using WebDriver Manager to manage the browsers, and I'm using TestNG 7.1.0 as a unit testing framework. Okay, very similar to how you write in Eclipse. So, but this is also very lightweight. So I'm using this lightweight IDE. So here we will start writing our code and we'll see rest of the things. So I have taken @test annotation from the UC TestNG. So here I will write the code. WebDriver Manager I'm taking. So my system is very slow. So that is the reason I'm finding the options to make it fast. So I felt Visual Studio Code is better than Eclipse. Eclipse will take so much of memory. And the same way when you open Google Chrome also, it will take so much of time. Load some pages and it will kill your RAM. You see that WebDriver Manager. Dot. So here for the Brave browser, you need to use the Chrome driver only. Okay, so this is on top of Chromium. So that is the reason And coming to the one more thing, you need to mention the version, that is that it should be compatible with your Chrome driver.exe. You will take the Chrome driver.exe, right? So that you need to match. So as we have seen here, the Brave browser, when you go to the settings about Brave, it is on top of 81 point something like that, right? Let it load. So 81.0.4044.138. So when you go to google.com, when you search Chrome driver exe and go to the official site, chromedriver.chromium.org downloads. Here you can see the all the versions, right? So let it load. You see that the latest is 84.0, but I need this one, 81.0.4044.138. So to manage this version with what is a WebDriver manager, you have WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup normally we use, but if I want to use a specific browser version, so I can use here. What is that? 81.0.4044.138. So I can specify which version I want. So present latest Brave browser is compatible with this version of Chrome driver. So dot setup as usual. And here you need to do one more thing. You need to use Chrome options class from the Selenium. And I'll take an instance of this. It's called new Chrome options. While recording, it is becoming very, very slow. Dot. You have one of the options called set binary. You see that? Set binary and file path. And here you need to mention path of your Brave browser, where it is installed. Okay. So here I'll go to my where my browser is installed. So in the applications, I have Brave browser.app, as this is a Mac machine. So you'll find something like this. Right click, show package contents, go into the contents. Inside this, you have Mac OS. Here you'll see Brave browser, Unix executable. Right. So you need to take the path of this one. Okay. So I'll right click, copy path, and I'll come here. I'll put the path here. You see that? Applications, Brave browser.app, contents, Mac OS, Brave browser. So you need to take this path, and from there, it is very normal. WebDriver equals new Chrome driver. But you need to pass this options to the constructor of Chrome driver. That's it. So Chrome driver, So now, after this, everything is as usual. Driver dot get, and I'll take the URL http://demo.automation-testing.in. So this is the URL. Once I go there, I need to find the elements, right? Driver dot, you'll get the find element. By dot, I'll take ID. So here you need to input this ID. Okay, let me type it again. So it will give me that option. So it is also from the Selenium. By dot ID. And what is the ID? We'll check dot, sorry, you'll get all the options, send keys. So I need to provide the email here. So let me go to the browser again. So this is the one, right? Register.html. This one, the home page, when you can inspect the element how you did in the Chrome. So right click, when you say inspect, you'll get the same options, the DOM. I'm just inspecting this. You see that you'll find element console, sources, metric, everything is the same. So when you inspect this, you see that input ID equals to email. In the same way, if I inspect this, ID equal to enter IMG. When you go to the next page, here also, when you inspect, and here also, what you can do, you can search here, how you do in the Chrome. So input, I have placeholder for this. You see that when I given the CSS selector input placeholder equal first name, I'm getting 1 of 1 here and it is highlighting. Right, same way how we did, usually how we'll do in the Chrome. Okay, so now we'll go back to the, and I already captured this information. This is email, and here I can give any dummy email ID. So I will write, and I'll copy rest of the things. Already captured this one. So our intention is how to automate browser, not writing this Selenium script. So I need to thread.lib. Add throws declaration. So now the error gone. Now we'll go through this one by one. WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot version 81.0 dot this version dot setup, and Chrome options is called new Chrome options dot set binary. You need to set this binary of Brave browser, and WebDriver equals to new Chrome driver, and you need to pass these options. If you're not using WebDriver manager, then what you need to do, system dot set property, and here you need to mention the Chrome driver option, right? So WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and here you need to mention the value of, means the path of, sorry, here what you need to mention, path of Chrome driver 81 version. Okay, so you need to mention 81, which you need to download from the official website, and you need to give the path of this one. Okay, so just remember that. As I'm using Maven project, I'm using WebDriver manager, so I'm using this way. Okay, so now everything is ready. So I'll just run this test and see how it is executing, whether it is opening the Brave browser or not. It started running. Initially, it will take a bit time. Only the first 3 lines will do what we want. So WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot, you need to mention the version as the compatible version with the Chrome, with the Brave. So after that, you need to take the Chrome options is called new Chrome options dot set binary, and you need to set the binary for this one, the Brave browser. And after that, WebDriver driver equal new Chrome driver, and you need to pass that options to this Chrome driver. It's taking so much of time. Actually, the issue is with my machine. It became very slow, and while recording, it is becoming very, very slow. So we'll see. But when I tested, the Brave browser is very fast. I give it a try and put in the comments that really it is very fast when you compare to the Chrome or not. I think it opened. Yeah, it opened in the background, you see. So it is loading. And you can find here at the top, it is a Brave browser, where my cursor is. So it has given the input and click on that button. So it is moving to the next page. And here it will type first name and last name. So actually, it is taking so much of time as my system is slow. But if I use Chrome, it will take more than this time. So let it load. Yeah, it started typing in that. Wait for 3 seconds and it closed the browser. So I have written the same logic here. So I'm filling this first name and last name and thread.sleep for 3 seconds and driver.quit. Okay. So these are the 3 lines are the important in this video that we are using Brave browser to automate my application. So this is how you can automate Brave browser. Give it a try and let us know in the comments that whether it's really fast or not. Here you see some slowness as my system is very, very slow. So that is the reason you feel that it is working slow. But if I'm not recording, it is very fast. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section where really you feel that it is a fast browser than Chrome or not. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for interesting updates. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.